Hello guys, I will teach you how to add friend in Valorant. So please watch my video carefully and follow my steps, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So let's start. First open your Valorant. Obviously, go to this, your avatar, your IGN, then you will see here in the lower right the add friend button. Click it and type your name friend. Example, your friend is Carlo. You, you will type your friend's name and the tagline. The tagline is the number beside your IGN, like that. Mine is 1414. So if you ask your friend what's his or her IGN, obviously you need his or her tagline to add him as a in-game friends. So and you will click this add icon, and he or her receive the add friend request. So that's very easy, and I hope you follow my steps. And thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.